sights of like 50 bricks. Rap niggas throwing hits and fits. I get my bitch a statues for a Christmas gift. And my bitch so bad she on my Christmas list. Remember I pray really, I wish for this. To get the grip with the maid and with the picket fits. I'm with some niggas that mad, we took a risk for this. So talking risky business, flick the wrist. Lord knows that I repent for this. But Lord knows if I get pinned for this, I probably won't get home until I'm 56. They say I'm the Messiah, you rappers is liars. I sign up at churches to rap at the choir. They spit my new verse at your weight while you're lying. In the middle of the church up your weight, no I'm lying. I just came from jail, ain't do no crying. They put me through hell, sharpen my iron. I did my push-ups and I roll with the line like hold up. From ballin', I'm tired, I'm back in this bitch and I'm back on my shit, man. They tell me be humble and cocky as hell. Shout out my bitches that answer my call when I call to collect, cause it got me through hell. Shout out that jet that denied me my bell. It made me smarter and made me go harder. They locked me up and slowed my album up, but I did not give up cause I knew I would prevail. Came in the game, Philly as shit. Look at these rappers, they silly as shit.